Hello everyone. It started snowing here and I thought I'd put the laptop up on the top of the dash just to see what the snow is like when I'm driving here. It's pretty thick right now. It's supposed to be sometime. Some of the snow that was supposed to get is supposed to be up like 2 inches per hour. Roads are going to be pretty bad. It's starting to get bad already. It's only been snowing for maybe about 45 minutes now. It's been pretty fast. Starting to go slow. This car in front of me. Alright, I think we get the gist of it now. It's snowing pretty good. People are slowing down here quite a bit. And I gotta see where I'm going, and I got the laptop right in my way. So I gotta turn her off now. If I didn't get a hold of it.